Yeah, so another set of delegates today on the MediMatch injection molding course. Delegates today were perfect. They picked it up super easy. We did 6 veneers, rapid time. It was really good. I'm excited for the next one.
It was a wonderful day. I really enjoyed it, learned a lot. Would definitely recommend the course. That's it. And bought some nice material.
So thank you very much to Andrew and to MediMatch and to GC for a really good course today on injectable composites. Learned a lot, made very straightforward and very interesting. So thank you very much.
Oh, hello. I just came on the course, injectable bonding. Everything about composite, it really inspires me. So Andrew just explained the technique very well. Yes, and I think that I like just bring this straight away on Monday, starting with my patient.
I really enjoyed the day. It's been a great course. I'd say one of the best courses that I've been on.